BTQ is trending up 30.39%. This is Tuesday, the 18th of November, 2025. Intraday high in the session, $7.92. Let's see how many shares have crossed the tape so far. 8.154 million shares, above average. Volatility is expected to increase in the coming days. Let's see now. Okay, there's a good chance it may or may not be trading a lot of shares. Well, I've seen the volume there. Okay. Aggression high, or are they discovering prices? Aggression surely there. Yeah, they are discovering prices. So liquidity is good as well. So let's see now. Yeah, it hasn't been around that long. Projections are currently saying 7.04, 7.75, 8.20. Intraday high, what did we see here? 7.92. Let's see now. We can have a look at its 1 hour chart. It may have extrapolations. Okay, the extrapolation is saying that this strength it has now might remain in place up till the pre-market session of tomorrow, the 19th. Then after that, a contraction may play out. Okay, let's see now. Let's have a look at its daily chart. Very scanty as well. It hasn't been around that long. Okay, the 40-day moving average is just starting to form. Okay, so I think this expansion, what's going on right now, or before this bounce, is that the stock was it was contracting the pre-IPO bounce that took it to the highs of 14.13. The odds of that printing is very, 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 very minute, very, very less than 0.1, probably, less than 0.1%, or just let's just say around that sort of value. Yeah, it's contracting that expansion. So this trend it is showing right now. Actually began yesterday. So this is the second straight session of gains for the stock. Okay. As a result of that, positions opened 10 days ago. I think also up to 21 days ago, also in profit, but not the ones. Well, it hasn't been around up to 21 days. No, it hasn't been around for up to 40 days. 21 days, yes, but not up to maybe. I think up to 40 days, yes, it has, since we have this 40, a figment of its 40-day moving average showing up. So, yes, the stock is currently trending. Let's find out what's going on.
BTQ Technologies is trending as investors react to the company's major technology upgrade in quantum algorithm simulation, driven by the launch of its GPU-accelerated QLEO emulator under the QPerfect division. The announcement, highlighting full compatibility with NVIDIA's CUDA-Q framework, has energized discussions across the quantum computing community, with many seeing this as a pivotal step towards scalable, industrial grade quantum systems. At the center of the excitement is BTQ's partnership with Quobly, which brings together QPerfect's MIMIQ simulation engine and Quobly's quantum platform to deliver next generation hybrid quantum classical capabilities. Investors and researchers alike are pointing out that this collaboration pushes BTQ further into the global quantum spotlight. Key highlights driving the trend. 1. GPU-accelerated QLEO launch. QPerfect and Quobly have unveiled a powerful new version of the QLEO quantum emulator, now turbocharged by GPU acceleration and enhanced through compatibility with NVIDIA CUDA-Q. The result? Up to 100x faster quantum simulations compared to previous iterations. This performance leap makes it possible to handle much larger and more complex quantum workloads, opening the door for real world algorithm development, testing, and refinement. 2. Bridging quantum and classical systems. The collaboration creates a unified environment where developers can seamlessly move between quantum simulations and classical GPU CPU computation. This hybrid approach is essential for the next phase of quantum computing, where early practical applications depend on classical quantum integration. The expanded compatibility means more researchers, startups, and enterprise teams can now access high performance quantum simulation tools, accelerating innovation across the field. 3. Driving quantum industrialization. The launch at Supercomputing Conference 2025 signals growing European and international leadership in quantum technology. For BTQ, it reinforces the company's mission to advance quantum secure and industrial scale computing, positioning it not just as a cybersecurity player, but as a broader leader in quantum infrastructure and simulation technology. This aligns BTQ with the emerging global push toward production ready quantum systems, where simulation performance and hybrid capabilities are essential building blocks. Investors, analysts, and tech enthusiasts are actively discussing BTQ's strengthened position in the quantum simulation and cybersecurity ecosystem, the potential for future partnerships, especially with GPU, HPC, or quantum hardware companies, the implications of CUDA-Q compatibility for attracting enterprise and academic users, how this upgrade sets BTQ apart from other quantum computing and simulation players, long term growth prospects as hybrid quantum classical systems move closer to industrial deployment. Some traders believe this technological leap gives BTQ a competitive advantage that could translate into significant future revenue, while others see it as another step toward BTQ becoming a major player in next gen quantum computing solutions.
Okay, have a look and see what you make of BTQ stock. And thank you very much for watching this video.